My friend, do you know that we have lived before? This is not the only life what we are living right now. It's the only life we have lived before. We have lived many lives in the past. My friend, I am a hypnotherapist. I am Pradeep Aggarwal, and I have seen many problems what we have right now is 50% because of something happened in this life and 50% happened in our previous lives. When I conduct my workshop on hypnosis, when I do therapy, when I ask them to go back to the cause of their problem, many people have gone to their previous life, and once they help them, they release their problem. Now my friend, our problems may be because of our previous lives of fear, phobias, unknown fears. We may have a health problem like overweight. Very common reason we get because of previous life. Behavior problem, mental blocks. We want to do something but not able to do it because of something happened on our previous life, and that works right now. And mental blocks, some behavior pattern, lot of things might have happened connected to the previous life. We try our best to remove them but not able to remove them because it has the connection with our previous life. In hypnotherapy, we take the people back to the cause of this problem in this previous life, but we could not find them, and suddenly they went go into the previous life. So my friend, secret of previous life. We have a lot of secrets in our previous life. So my friend, I am conducting a 21-day video WhatsApp workshop on secret of previous life using hypnotic past life regression, a practical workshop, an experience workshop, where you're able to find out your problem and release it. And after this workshop, you might have released many of your problems, many of your behavior problems, even many health problems, and you start healing faster. So my friend, will you like to know the secret of your previous life? This is the workshop for you. So click on the link below and click on for more details, and see you in the workshop. Thank you very much.